Please welcome Darren Espanto and Kyle Cherry! Bakit andito yung dalawang guwapo?
Max.
At best friend!
Yes, syempre, supportan ko si Bestie tsaka si Kuya Pao. So, congratulations to the both of them.
Darren, thank you. He hardly attends ganito pero he's here to support Bestie, no?
Yeah, ito si Kyle din. Siya naging bita sa akin.
Yes, ako actually nag-invite kay Darren. Yun yung nakakatawa, di ba?
Si Kim?
Hindi talaga. Kasi nahihiya siya
Okay, ako
mag-invite.
siya nagtatampo kayo at
Sobrang si Kim,
Oo.
napaka-alam, diba? Ayun yung nang-aabala ng tao.
Oo.
Iba yung Kim siya talaga.
Ewan ko rin doon. Sabi ko, ay naku, Bestie, excited pa naman ako makita ka bilang isang ganap na stripper dito sa Alibay talaga.
Kala ko pinuri.
Excited kay Best, opo.
In-expose pa lang ni Darren yung character.
Yes. Ano siya? Yun talaga siya eh. Doon sa Alibay. So, ano.
Alam po ni
Doon
Darren ang
Oo.
alam ni Darren ang plot nito kasi araw-araw sila magkasama sa Showtime.
Opo.
Okay.
Ayan.
Ikaw naman, Kyle.
Ako naman, siyempre,
Plot mo naman, Dreamscape, pero exactly who are you supporting today kung sa cast?
I am supporting Philippine cinema.
Wow, global na.
And of course, Dreamscape. My Dreamscape family na
Kasi
never
may
na
next ka na.
Yes. Importante po gusto ko.
Yeah.
Sa Friday na lang.
Yes, sa Friday
Oo.
na. Pero ayun, I'm super excited
Ang
to
proper niya, no? You're so proper. Appreciate it.
Wow, naman. Hindi, kita nyo naman sa trailer, talagang abangan to ng mga tao. It's so exciting to see a series like this for Philippine television. Finally, we're leveling up per show. And super excited, Brandon. I think it's good. Thank you.
Parang kuya si Darren ni Kyle. Parang kuya nag-remind ka. Again, thank you, Darren and Kyle, for the love and support today. Thank you. Sa The Alibay. Okay. Let me call it out the next batch of support. Please welcome, first off, Mr. PJ and Ginal.
Darren!
Fresh from Singing.
Darren!
Sa muli ni PJ na Singing Sings.
Darren!
Uso talaga mga fit ngayon, ano?
Kyle!
Kailan ka magiging fit at shit? Hi, Nico! I'm good. How are you?
I'm good. I'm just grateful to be here again. Thank you for having me sa Dream
Mr.
Station.
Busy, yes. Grabe, ha?
Kailangan itong mga anak ko, so kailangan magtrabaho.
Babalik ka talaga sa paggawa ng serye, ano? Kahit na sunod-sunod ang pelikula mo.
Oo naman. I mean, television is very different from film din. And wala, sobrang enjoy kasama sa trabaho yung mga kasama namin. So,
Congratulations. Matapanood ka ulit namin sa Prime Video sa Friday.
thank you.
The Alibay.
Thank you.
Give it up for PJ and Ginal, Raul Reyes and Romnix Armenta.
Thank you, guys.
Isang
Thank
photo
you.
up muna. Ayan, sige, we'll let you take photos. Angelina, welcome sa Blue Carpet lineup. Robbie.
Hello, good afternoon, everyone.
Okay. Ange, what can we expect from you sa first serie mo sa ABS-CBN? First mo to?
First teleserye po.
Okay. How was it? How was the experience?
Very challenging.
I can
Very
tell.
challenging, but ginawa ko naman.
Ang ganda niya. You should see her up close. Napakagandang bata.
The story is really nice po. I'm sure everyone will enjoy it.
Sabi ko nga, I asked one of the bosses namin sa ABS-CBN, ang ganda siguro ng plano sa actor na to kasi sinign up namin siya. Big plans. And finally, he is doing his first teleserye sa ABS-CBN. Robbie Jaworski!
Hello, Bob. Good afternoon, everyone.
That's so fit!
Thank you.
What did you do?
Wala, nagtatrabaho lang po tayo.
That's right, tama lang, di ba? What can we look forward to you sa iyong first ever series, Robbie?
Well, actually po dito sa unang experience namin, medyo kinakabahan nga po ako dahil ito yung magiging unang pagkataon na makikita ko yung sarili ko sa big screen. So I'm quite nervous, but what you can expect is you can expect a very interesting dynamic with Angelina and I. And makakaambag po kami sa pagbibigay ng gaan sa kwentong mabigat.
At binigyan kayo ng mahusay na director ng ABS-CBN.
Of course.
Ano, Angelina?
We'd like
O
to-
not FMR and Jojo.
Yes. Of course, ang direct Donnie Dulu.
Oo, nga pala. Sumaluwi si Direct Dali here. Okay. So I'll see you sa loob for our screening and media con Robbie and Angelina.
Thank you
These
so
are
much.
your co-actors there. Thank you. Assure pa, guide naman sila. Wow. Nakaka-inspire lang kasi we are developing new faces, new artists. And thank you, Shaina, if she's watching, for letting Sunshine Angelina na gawin ang kanyang first ever series sa ABS-CBN Dreamscape. Maganda. Ito, I look forward talaga. Sabi ko nga, whenever the chance, sana mabigyan natin to ng card.
Thanks for coming. Thank you so much for this grand opportunity to be here in front of all of you and for you to view this awesome series. Diba?
Thank you for always saying yes to a Dreamscape project.
Of course, always an honor, and thank you for the trust.
Sobra. Very reliable. Sana magtuloy-tuloy na sa amin, Sir Rafael. What can we look forward to you here bukod sa napakakaiba yung character mo sa teaser as a trailer that we have seen?
Well, story-wise, as in, ang ganda ng story. Personally, bilang isang cast member sa show na to, tuwing nagbabasa ako ng script, I'm always excited para malaman ko anong isusulat sa next script.
Medyo difficult daw ang mounting nito, Rap. Totoo ba? Kasi ang twisted daw ng...
Yeah, ang twisted ng story, ang twisted ng mga characters. So, abangan niyo yung mga iba't ibang portrayal ng iba't ibang artista dito. As in, very, very entertaining.
How long have you been in showbiz, Rap?
Tinatanong ko.
I know, right? 12 years
More than 2 decades.
I know, 2.5 decades. Yes.
So,
And still here, di ba? Original Star Magic, Star Circle,
9.
9.
Yes.
See? And then, ganun lang naman ang buhay. Mag-yes ka, mag-GMA ka, mag-prime ka, ganyan po. And thank you always, Rap, for always saying yes to a Dreamscape
Of course,
offer.
thank you for always having me. Thank you so much sa pagpunta ninyo dito. Maraming salamat sa all the love and support, lalo sa social media. Sobrang na-appreciate ko. Thank you
Would you
talaga.
like to thank the people of Cebu, di ba?
Yes, of course, lahat. Taga-Cebu ako eh. Taga-Cebu si Daddy eh. So, home city din namin yan. So, maraming salamat. Kung meron man dito na taga-Cebu, kung napapanood ng mga taga-Cebu dito, thank you so much for lending us your beautiful environmental landscape. As in, ang ganda. At I think it's justified through the screen talaga sa pinapalabas. Mapapanood natin ang aliwanas talaga ng Cebu. Ang ganda.
Sarap bumalik-balik sa Cebuan.
Yes.
Alright, thank you, Rap!
Thank you so much. Enjoy the show. Maraming salamat ulit. It's always an honor.
Okay. Thank you. Join your co-actors there as I call it the next batch of actors natin. Happy ako, she's back. Ang husay nito eh. And she is gonna be matinding.
Thank you guys for coming. Sobrang appreciate namin yung presence nyo. Kung hindi dahil sa inyo, hindi
Ang
ka
tapang mo naman dito.
Ha?
Ang tapang-tapang mo, nananampal ka.
sobrang tapang. Kailangan ganun sa life.
Talaga.
Yes.
Did you prepare? Hindi kasi ganito eh. You've never portrayed a role as fierce as this before. So how did you prepare for the role dito, Sophia?
I had to watch some scenes from movies, syempre. Kailangan ng pek.
Are you ready for the Kimpaho
Sabi
Galet?
nga, huwag niyo po akong i-hate. Sabi ko,
Mahal niya ang Kimpaho. She's still portraying her role.
Yeah.
Are you happy to be back?
I'm so happy to be back kasi syempre ang dami kong mga veterans na I really look up to.
Ilang years lang naman.
I mean, to be with Kim Pao, Tita John, Miss Jota, Samuel B., Rafael Rosel, Miss Alamer, I mean like, sila na po yung mga
Naiintindihan ka naman you're coming from. The challenge is so... Di ba?
The pressure is real.
The pressure is real, sabi nga. Pero sabi ang husay mo raw, sabi ni the head of
Thank you
production.
guys so much. I really gave my best for this.
We will find out later. The pilot episode, mapapanood po natin sabay-sabay later on. Enjoy your co-actors there, Sophia.
Okay.
And makakasama
Thank
natin
you.
dyan sa media ko at
Thank
saka
you,
sa
guys.
special screening inside. Thank you na. Okay, thank you. Yan po kingay. Okay. Hindi ko lang alam kung paano i-intro ko to. Every time Dreamscape needs a reliable leading man, he is always there. He really is a reliable leading man. Please welcome. Greet everyone,
Good afternoon po sa
Sam.
inyo lahat. Thank you guys so much for coming.
Mukhang ibang role mo dito, Sam, ha? Iba? Correct.
Yes.
Trabaho mo daw to, I heard.
It was a challenge para sa akin, but I'm so excited for you guys to watch this. Thriller mystery, and I'm excited to see yung mga reactions sa mga tao.
I know.
Yes.
Thank you for always saying yes to doing a Dreamscape.
Of course,
project.
Dreamscape is, oh my gosh, they treat me
Love
so
ka
well. So
ng
thank you
Dreamscape
guys.
family mo.
Yes, I love them also.
Okay, and what can you expect aside from being a different character? You're playing what? What's your character,
I
Sam?
play the role of Walter Cunana.
The one who got the position, the CEO.
Yes, I got the CEO position. I am very smart, very cunning, deceitful also, and I would say revengeful.
Wow, yun eh.
Yeah. Madaming revelations as the story goes on, so it's really exciting.
How do you feel working with Kim and Paolo? Are
It's
you
been a great time.
I know, friends mo sila eh, di ba?
Yes, I think kami ni Kimmy, we've only done like a Your Song before, so super talaga yun.
18
With
years
Paolo,
ago.
I did work with him, with Angeliquito, kahit kunting pa kami.
AKP,
Talaga nun, yeah, so it's been great working with them again. And yeah, it's a beautiful story, so
We look forward to watching you on the 7th of November sa Prime.
Yes.
And later on, mapapanood din namin ang pilot episode with some of the members of the press and your fans. Join your co-actors there, Sam, please.
Thank you.
Thank you, Sam.
Talian si Jen.
Oh my God, Hannes Carres ng Cornerstone. Thank you, ha. Hi, si RN. Alam mo, every time makikita kami, kasi she has always been a Dreamscape.
Magandang hapon sa inyo lahat. So happy to see all of you here.
Welcome back sa Dreamscape!
Oh, wow. Acting again in Dreamscape.
Ano bang huli mo? Sorry.
Kay Kim din. The story of us. Ano ba? No, I was working in Singapore.
Love Thy Woman?
Love Thy Woman.
Correct.
Nag-back-to-back din kami ni Kim.
I know. Thank you, ha, for saying yes to doing this.
Yeah, oh my God. I'm so happy kasi napakaganda ng role kami.
I know naman maganda relationship with Sir Dale before they know kayo yung he would always put you
That's right.
in a perfect role eh. And I'm happy that you're
Medyo
back.
nahinto ako na nabanggit mo kasi nag-pandemic nahiya ako sa partner ko. Siyempre hindi siya taga-showbiz.
I have to have time for him, di ba?
Oo, dahil kasi nauso yung lock-in.
Correct.
Oo, so nahinto muna.
So yun din palang reason. But happy they are back. Sana tuloy-tuloy na.
Yes.
Although on the side, andyan pa rin naman ang first love niya, which is singing,
He's very
recording.
supportive naman. So he says, oh, it's okay.
Miss Z, parang magandang role mo dito.
Yes, sobrang ganda.
Dikit kanino?
Sa buong pamilya kasi I have 3 sons na kaperas.
Anak mo si...
Yes, anak ko si Pao.
Si Robbie.
Yung anak ko talaga.
Wow.
And yun, so makikita yung yung love ng isang nanay na minsan mali na din yung ginagawa. Pero dahil sa pagmamahal sa anak, sobrang protective sa pamilya, kasi yun yung buhay niya.
Ang ganda ng anchor pala ng show, ano? Family pa rin talaga, ano?
That's true.
Good to see you tonight, Miss Z. I'll see you. Join your co-actors.
See you, I hope you enjoy what you hear.
We will later on. Thank you, Miss Z. Okay. Miss Z, stay ka lang dyan sa gitna. Isang photo op lang. Ayan. The members of the media are covering today's blue carpet. Ang ganda pa rin talaga ni Miss ZZP. Okay, as I call in an internationally acclaimed actor, award-winning actor, ang laki ng serye pagkasama to sa serye, ang laki ng biggest factor pagkasama siya sa isang serye.
Kasama ka ni Gerald?
Magandang hapon po sa inyo lahat. Good afternoon, everyone. And thank you for coming.
Iba na naman ang bibigay mo dito. Lagi namang iba, pero bigyan mo kami ng glimpse of what can expect from you.
Well, genuine na magmahal si Arthur. Kaya lang, by hook or by crook, ipoprotect niya yung mahal niya sa buhay kahit anong paraan.
So, asawa mo si Lizzie.
Yes, yes, yes. And sobrang nailang ako sa Kim Pao. And nailang ako siyempre doon sa pamilya ko, kay Sophie Andres, kay Rafael Rosel, kay Robbie. And alam mo na ilab ako kay Nasha Padilla. Ibang klase.
I was looking at her kanina up close. Talaga ni Lizzie.
Ibang klase. Napaka-natural ng elegance. At saka isang mahusay na actress.
Totoo naman.
Hindi mo lang sasabihin, divine diva, pero talagang one of the best actresses in the Philippine cinema or Philippine industry.
You are a world-class actor, Kuya John. And always, on behalf of the Dreamscape Management, thank you for always saying yes to a Dreamscape project.
Oh, syempre naman, pamilya natin to.
At saka ang proper niya, pag may gagawin siya sa ibang station, ang papaalam muna siya sa mga boss. Ang galing, di ba? Yung iba yan tatanggap agad. Pero siya talaga nagpapasabi, I will be gone for 3 months.
Yes.
Tapos andito lang ako. And ando naman lagi yung offer sa
Doon na naman tayo sa kapamilya, hindi ba?
Yes!
Tama ba? Mahal natin ang kapamilya, hindi ba?
Okay. Thank you, Sir John. Please join your co-actor sa Cinema 6. As na po sa loob, as I call in another leader natin sa ABS-CBN. Please.
Alright, thank you so much po. And November 7, Prime Video. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Sir John. Please. Okay.
Ayan na, why na?
Pakinggan si Sir John, please.
Ayan na, why na?
I can see members of the media na nagko-cover na dito. Thank you, ha?
Uy, ayan na, why
Sir
na?
Danny Vivas, I'm seeing. Hi, Tito Danny. Albert Abilido is here. Dito na rin si Chad. Chad Solis, andito na. Everyone's here. Chad, ano na, Gabby, andito pretty much everyone to invite natin. We will be part of the MediaCon later on.
Kaya ko, pakulikin mo na ako.
Ikaw lang mag-
Okay naman. Hello, everybody! Grabe, ang lakas ng ulan sa labas. But thank you so much sa pagpunta on a Monday afternoon. Monday ba? Tuesday pala. Tuesday pala. Maraming salamat po.
Kakaiyak ang support team. Alam niyo naman, nakikita niyo naman yung support.
Yes, sa lahat ng mga Kimers, mga Pals, Kim Pals, and everyone nakasama sa family na ito. Thank you so much.
Sobra talaga. Paula Avellino!
At ayan na nga ako, tulad ko ng sabi ni Kim, maraming salamat po. Tumawas kayo kahit maulan, kahit bumabagyan. Thank you for your time at sana magustuhan ninyo ang programa na ginawa namin lahat ng The Alibis.
Yung ginawa ni Paula, nagpakulot talaga siya dito. Ay, lumupa na yung kulot niya. Gwapo-gwapo na ulit. Kim, Pao, alam ko nahirapan talaga kayo mounting this. How was the experience doing The Alibi?
Doing the album, mahirap, pero ma-fulfilling after. Parang it's something na, yun. Akala ko 6 p.m. pa yung MediaCon. Ano.
Pinapastretch ako ni Shim.
Stretch pa? Sino to?
I know.
Pero masaya siyang gawin. It's something different that we can offer to all our supporters. And we're very thankful, of course, sa Prime Video, sa Dreamscape.
They're here, our friends from Prime Video.
Yes! We're very thankful and we're very excited na mapanood ninyo. 3 more days to go.
Pao, anong ginawa mo dito? Naman, dami kong physical na binago sa sarili mo to prepare for your character here, Pao.
Sakto lang naman, sakto lang. Pero more than anything, yung character namin ni Kim at kung paano nagde-develop yung samahan nila at yung mga nangyayari sa story. I'm sure may excite kayo at kakabahan kayo.
Pao, Kim, thank you sa kaligayahan ay binibigay niyo sa amin, sa mga fans. Iba talaga.
Thank you. At sa lahat naman nanonood online.
Hello.
Hello po. sa mga-
Nakasubscribe na ba kayo?
Sino dito ang wala pang Prime Video? Walang sumagot. So lahat meron.
Para pa lang King Pao Universe ng 300 slots.
Sa lahat ng karoon.
Wow.
Sobra. May paangkas pa sila, may billboard, at may cocktails area here, Kim Pao, ang mga fans
Tita
niya.
Cory in the house!
Thank you, Tita Cory. Tita Cory, kaka-photo lang daw, please.
Our Prime family.
And of course, with our partners sa Prime Video, join na rin si Miss Pia Laurel. Sige na, this will be the last frame natin before tayo magsimula. Tandaan. Ayan, we will let Kim and